Ethereum price hits 37-month high on strange supply rate. Ethereum prices rose Monday as it subscribe to Crypto News and share this video.